Perfect espresso? Under $300? Yup. First, Breville Bambino Plus, $299. Compact, heats in 3 seconds. Creamy espresso, pro-level frothing. Next, Ninja Dual Brew Pro, $229. Espresso, drip coffee, pods, grounds, versatile, and sleek. Then, DeLonghi Dedica, $249. Slim, stylish, powerful espresso, perfect steam wand. Nespresso Vertuo Plus, $179. Quick espresso, 1-button brewing, rich crema, easy pods. Finally, DeLonghi Stilosa, just $120. Budget-friendly espresso, simple and reliable. Espresso perfection on a budget? Done. Like and subscribe, comment your favorite below.